gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread the
Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing this downpipe I got for the R56. It's a PLM header, private label manufacturing header. I mean downpipe, my bad. The only reason I got this pipe is because back in the day when I used to have my Honda, they made some sick ass header for the R6. So when I saw that they made a downpipe, I decided to buy it. Obviously, I kind of opened it already for you guys to see, but this is a downpipe right here. Comes with gasket, some O2 defouler. I'm not going to use. I have my own. Better looking ones, I guess, sort of. And it's basically just a standard downpipe. See the welds, clean. It's supposed to be 2.5, so the O2 sensor goes here. Second pulse cat here. Yada yada yada. This is the unbox, I guess. I'm gonna try to install it right now. Try to record it if I have enough battery, but we'll see how this goes. May try to install it, may not. We'll check right now. Alright, so to install the downpipe, you need to get access to this area, and nobody else is gonna have this. This is my stuff. This is an extra step for me. Unless you have an AM heat shield, then you'll have it too. But more than likely, so you don't. Try to make sure you don't drop the stuff that I did. No, whatever. You're gonna need access to the heat shield. There should be 3. That's it. There should be 3 bolts to this heat shield, I believe. Remove the oxygen sensor with the oxygen tool. I don't know where's my head. But we'll get back to that right now in a second. Okay, so there's 3 10 mils, and I think there's 3 10 mils down here. Another one here. Should probably paint an nasty get, but my car didn't have them on, so I only had 3. So you might not have the same look I got. Then after removing the O2 sensor, it's best to coat these with penetrating oil, because if not, you're gonna have a real bad time trying to take these off. And we'll see how it goes after that. Alright, so there's the oxygen sensor there. Can I remove? That's right here. Let's put it aside. There's 2 more 13 mil right here. This is probably a 15, I'm not sure. I've yet to try to put a bolt around it. But yeah, let's see how this goes.
Right here?
If you find yourself getting stuck with this bolt, you can do what I did. Where the hell is it? You counter thread one of these. Can't do it right now because it's on, but put one backwards, you tighten it both sides, and then you wiggle it out to take it out. So it comes off, but yeah, because this will get in the way. You could get away with removing just one nut. This thing's been removed before, so you can get away with just removing one side of the heat shield. I think I'm missing the top nut that goes over here, if you can see my finger. But yeah, there's two nuts that go here. It was missing one, so this has been removed before, so whoever had it before took it off for other reasons, but he kind of made it simple for me, so yeah, I'm not mad. This is a turbo. And that's the main cat. So yeah. Alright, so the kit comes with this gasket, these defowlers. I'm gonna open it just to show you guys. These are O2 defowlers, and you can use to try not to get a check engine light for the oxygen sensor. I have my own, so I'm going to use my own. There's a J-bend defouler, so I feel like these work better since it keeps it farther. But so I'm not using this. But for anybody buying the PLM downpipe, comes with all this, and I'm not using this gasket either because I don't like them. I'm gonna use a stock OEM heat shield metal gasket. So I'm gonna swap this all back, and I'll show you guys what to put on and everything. Hope this thing clears. Yeah, it clears. Biggest advice I can give you is you're gonna need one of these suckers because you can't fit a socket between these. So yeah, just know you're gonna need a open wrench. And I'm gonna show you another trick down there that I had to do because now I know why people struggle with that shit. Alright, so one of the biggest advices I can give you is take off this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I probably can't. But when it comes to these nuts, there's also another nut on the other end that holds the actual bracket. Loosen the bracket, tighten that after, and then tighten those nuts, because otherwise there's probably no way in hell you're gonna get that on there. So I'm gonna tighten all this shit now. Let's see what happens, and I'll come back right now. The only reason I'm using this is because I don't have a tune for the check engine light. So note to self, if you want to use this one, put it before you put the downpipe because you can't twist it. So I ended up using their crap after all. Tighten this. Twist the oxygen sensor in, obviously. So I'll go back once this is done. So this is on. Really wish I had a lift. The bolt. This bolt didn't put the bottom heat shield back. Tighten this. Everything seems like it's golden now. I'll do a cold start in a bit. I need to remove my bumper and my intake because I'm going to be replacing all the charge pipes. Delete the noise maker crap and change the intercooler. So it's all going to be different videos, but all done at the same day. So Thanks for watching. That's the downpipe install, as much as I could explain it. I'll put a clip of how it sounds cold start once I turn it on, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So you'll see it at the end of the clip. Thanks for watching. Peace.